Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna enable Xampp's MySQL and Apache to automatically start when you restart your computer, so you don't have to keep going back every time into the control and starting it. So let's go to our C drive and Xampp. We're gonna scroll down to the control. So Xampp control. Normally you would click on it, but let's right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, just say yes to the prompt. Okay, now that we're in administrator, make sure to stop both Apache and MySQL. And at this point, we click on Apache where the X is. It says click yes to install the Apache service. Yes. Notice there's a check mark there now. Same thing for MySQL. Okay, and then just hit start and start. So once you close this down, now that we have these check marks, it'll always restart automatically. You can go to PHP MyAdmin or do your PHP. So thanks for watching, guys, and please leave a like and subscribe. Leave comments in this comment section. See you next time.